Ganito ang tao. Bakit? Ang tao ay makasalanan. Ang sabi ng Panginoong Jesucristo, pag ikaw ay nagkakasala, ikaw ay anak ng kasalanan. Oh? The truth of the matter is, yung nagkakasala ay alipin ng kasalanan. Yung nagkakasala ay alipin ng kasalanan. At ang tao, pag alipin, you are not free. When you are a slave, you know what a slave is? Do we still have a slave? A slave has no freedom. A slave has no choice. That is a slave. When you are a slave, you even if you want to, you can't. There are some people who wants to be free from vices. Ayoko nang maging tumador. Kaya lang tuwing nakakakita siya ng tansan, ayaw niya nang mag-drugs. Kaya lang, drug addict na siya. And there are so many addiction in our time.